great day. Hey, I haven't put a modification on my Celica in over half a year. So this is the first modification I'm going to put on it. I'm going to be installing black JDM side markers. You can find them at mitchdore.com. What I'm going to do first is lift up my Celica GTS, and then we're going to go ahead and install the new side markers. I'm going to show you guys how to. I kind of just showed you a little bit before with the yellow ones. They're amber, it does not go with the car. Black and red is my themes. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump on the Celica, lift it up, and start that first modification in over half a year. Okay, now you have the car lifted. So I just did it right there. Use a jack, set up behind it. Right here, that's the here. Many years ago, you guys might remember, this inner liner flew off. But right there is the, can you guys see that? Yeah, there. Right there is the OEM side marker. So you're gonna go in there and take your hand. So I spread a little bit of cleaner on my chamois, my microfiber. I'm just gonna go around that because you're all about being aesthetic, clean, good looking cars. All right, that's gonna look nice. No more junk, get all the grime. Again, you guys with these microfibers, feel free to pick up a couple, and they are very, very durable and also washable. All right, that looks good, that looks new. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox the JDM black side markers. Okay, so here are the black side markers. They look much more aesthetic. We're gonna go ahead and take this one, leave that on there, bring it around, and they do come with a black or a seal right here. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this plastic seal, and you can even remove this right here. But this is how they come, and it'll fit right into here. Oh my gosh, what a difference! What a difference! Totally transforms the car. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful modification. Let's go ahead and pull that back off, and we'll go ahead and get ready to install that. So before you finally install this, there is one tiny little slit right here on each side. So right where my nail is, you need to take an X-Acto blade and just cut this little inner part off, and that little inner part off right here. So once you modify these little nicks right here and take those off, you're going to want to have it where it sits like this. As you guys can see, I kind of cut around that. Perfect. Like that. So like that, JDM right there. So now it should go in perfectly, and then this connector will it'll fit perfect. Very flush and smooth, very easy install. Okay, so now that it's in, very aesthetic. Again, I just went in with the two 8mm, tighten the backs up. It does come with new backs right here, but the OEM washers put on. So it's flush, it's tight. Don't over tighten these, just tighten them pretty snug, but don't over tighten them, just tighten them snug. Kind of like all Toyota parts, just tighten them snug. They're not like German cars, and then you just wait for the perfect, and now it's clipped, and now we have light in there, bam. And that's completely installed. You don't really have to remove the OEM wheel well, you can kind of just move it on the side, but if you want to take it off, you can. There's just a couple 10mm bolts down here. So we're gonna actually go ahead and rinse, wash, and repeat on the passenger side of the Celica, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get some nice cinematics for you guys. Okay, so with this side, I'm gonna clean it again. I already got it off, but I definitely recommend there is a 10mm bolt that is fastened for the front bumper. I definitely recommend removing that so you can pull it off, because there is a windshield wiper reservoir there, and it makes it really difficult to put your hand between the reservoir and the side marker. I was able to do it, but it's gonna be easier for you guys if you just remove that 10mm right here, and then it'll allow you to get in there. Let's go ahead and install the new one, and we'll wrap this up. Very, very, very aesthetic, and I'm excited for this. Great part. mitchdore.com, swing by, grab the microfiber, and I do have side marker LEDs if you want those. My favorite, honestly, my favorite entire thing that I sell, probably, I love the TRD badge, but the favorite thing that I have on that is that, for sure, 100%, that's my favorite thing. because the other one looks so bad and outdated. That's probably the cheapest thing I sell, and it's the best thing on there. So go check that out. All right, before I run out and I'm gonna do a quick car wash and then do those cinematics, I do have a GTS blacked out badge just sitting here. If someone would like that, it would go to better use than just sitting in a cardboard box for the last 6 months. And then if anyone needs an Apexy Commander, I have another one of these just lying around, brand new, right here. So if anyone needs one of those, both those parts, MitchDore.com, swing by. I just feel that these are very cool parts and they should be admired and not be sitting in a cardboard box as time goes by. So if you'd like to pick one up, I only have one of each. This I have a lot of though, so swing by and grab a microfiber as well. Let's go ahead and wash the car real quick. Oh my gosh, that just transforms this front end. Look at that front end. Literally that clip right there, you cut that, oh my gosh, that front end is so good looking. Wow, wow. Let's go ahead and close the hood, do a quick wash on it, dry it off, and then we'll go ahead and get some cinematics on this and wrap up this video. Hope you guys enjoy this very, very aesthetic mod. Oh gosh, beautiful colors. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Make sure to swing by MitchDore.com. I got the microfibers. If you guys want the side markers, they're wonderful as well. Completely transforms the front end of the car. The amber ones with a red card doesn't look good in my opinion. The red and black does. Same thing with Panda. But if you do if you have a blue Celica, the amber goes okay, but definitely even with a silver Celica, I think that the black looks really good if that's what you're going for, those contrasts, the black and then the color of that car. Black and black, definitely you can do an amber. I agree with that, that's fine. But so aesthetic. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I can't get enough of this car. It looks so good. Wow, wow, wow. I'll see you on the next one, guys.